Hey guys, Shadney back, and I am here to show you the giveaway stuff for the 1,000 subscribers. So first of all, I am so grateful for all of you that subscribe, that like and comment videos, share videos, have shopped in the shop, all of that. I really appreciate it. You have no idea. So I wanted to do a big giveaway, and I've been collecting things for a while now. Kind of having an idea that it would be around Christmas time that I would hit that goal. And sorry, things are falling in the background. If you hear anything, India's home. I just sent her back there with her tablet to give me a second to do this real fast. But I want to show you what we're going to do, what the giveaway is, sorry. Okay, so I've been collecting things just a little bit at a time, building this really cool Christmas kit of a bunch of stuff, and a lot of it is stuff that I've ordered for myself as well, and I would just order doubles of. Like some stuff I started back in like July and pre-ordered. So there's a lot from a lot of different places. There's a little bit from a lot of different places. So yeah, so the first thing is this Felicity Jane pack. It's the Noel, and I think it's last year's, 2019. It's got, well, it didn't show that. It's got all of these 6 12x12 pattern papers and then 2 of the coordinating solid cardstock. So that is the first set. I got a few more Felicity Jane pieces. This is also from the Noel collection. It's the 6x6 paper. I'm not sure how many's in it. Maybe 6, maybe 12. I'm not sure. I got the Holly words, and Holly I think was 2 years ago, 2018, yeah. And the Holly epoxies. These are 3/4 of an inch, I believe. Also from 2018, and then this little skinny washi tape. It's just white with little skinny black lines. Oh, more from Felicity Jane. Then I also have this one. I don't know what collections these are from, and this is white with little tiny Christmas trees, and then a white with gold scalloped. I thought that was super cute. So, and a lot of this is all really Christmas heavy, but a lot of it you can use for other things that aren't Christmas, like those, and like a lot of the little bits in here, like some of these pieces that don't actually say Santa or have a wreath or whatever. The next place, let's see. The next place I ordered from Ellie Studio. Sorry, I'm trying to grab all the stuff from that place. Okay, yeah. So we have Aqua, the Jane stickers, cardstock stickers, white cardstock Jane Alpha stickers, these super cute half red, half pink puffy Alpha stickers, and I bought myself a couple packages of those because they're super cute. This is the tiny words and some little stickers on there. I'm not sure if I can't remember if I bought this one or if this was a giveaway, like if it was like a free item with the purchase. I can't remember. I think I bought it. I'm not 100% sure. And then these are both packs of cards on this day in December, and then, and on this day in December. So, and the whole pack is the same card, but they're very basic. Even if you wanted to just cover that part up or cut that part off, you could still use it as a journaling piece without the December part as well. So there's that. The next place is Freckled Fawn. Oh, Ellie Studio. I also got, let's see, make sure that's everything. These tiny little wood veneers from Freckled Fawn. Oh, you can see them right there. It's stars and little asterisks and little diamond shaped stars. So, and I got a bunch of packs of those. Even though I make and sell wood veneer pieces, I got a bunch of those because they were super cheap. The next place I got stuff from was Freckled Fawn. Trying to make sure I have everything out of there. These alphas are like a blush color with gold foiling alphas. Some cork pieces that have gold foiling on them, little arrows. Some chipboard stickers, and these I've been using in my own album. I just used the rest of the white ones on a page last night. And so there's that. And then the last thing from Freckled Fawn is this really cute washi tape. It's like a pink and like rust colored orangey kind of reddish plaid. So on white. There's that. These are from Pretty Little Studio. They're just little alpha stickers. And then, from Scrap and Happy Studio, we've got these are her new 3/4 inch sized little pieces that are super cute. And then this one I thought was hysterical and really awesome. So it's the COVID Christmas ones, and they all have little masks. I thought that was really funny. And then 2020 you'll go down in history. Let's see. And then from Whimsy Fox Crafts, I got 2 little packages of the felty hearts, which I use all the time. They're amazing. Let's see. Oh, I ordered from Rosie Studio, which I had never ordered from before. I got these puffy stickers, little phrase stickers. These puffy phrase stickers. And then these alphas, they're chipboard, and they're like a pinkish red foiling on them. So I thought those were kind of cool. And then, let's see. I have a couple things from Tuesday Morning, and I got this star punch from Tuesday Morning. That stars are just useful for everything, I feel like. So I thought that would be a good one. I got some red enamel dots from there as well. And they're actually, you can't tell very well, but they're two-tone. This half is a little bit darker, and that half's a little lighter. Some twine from Stampin' Up. So, and then some little rhinestone mistletoe, no, not mistletoe, hollies. Those are from Hobby Lobby. Sorry, my words weren't coming. This is what I pre-ordered back in July from a Cherry on Top. This wasn't a pre-order, but I got it from a Cherry on Top as well. It is the Sweet Mint colored Heidi Swap Color Shine, and as you know, Color Shine's really hard to get right now because it is discontinued. So I was really excited that I could get a couple of those so that I could give one away. And then I got the Hey Santa 6x8 paper pad. Super, super cute. This is one of my favorites. The Hey Santa puffy stickers. And the Hey Santa little charm pieces. And those, and this. The Distress Oxide crowns. And these are the 3 colors that they released this year. I can't remember the names of the colors, but those are the 3 that they've just released this year. Like, I think just since the summer. Those are also from a Cherry on Top. I got the Stamp Market Color Crush 6x6 paper set. And there's a bunch of like bright, pretty colors in there that aren't Christmas, but you can pull it in with your Christmas stuff, or you can just use it separately. I threw in a Uniball Signo broad gel pen and 2 of the pens that I really like using that I've ordered from Amazon. Just little black felt tip pens. I got, lastly, the Jen Hadfield Gold Mist. And if you haven't gotten it, this is from the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. If you haven't used it yet, it is really, really good. A little bit different than the Heidi Swapp Color Shine. It's supposed to kind of be like it, but I feel like it's a little bit different. It's, you'll have to see. I don't know how to explain it, but I really like it. It's nice. Then I got these 3 Nuvo drops are the last things, and they're all crystal drops. This one is raspberry pink, duck egg blue, and woodland green. So that is it. That is the giveaway. So what I need you to do to enter this giveaway is go down below and leave me a comment. I would love to know 2 things. I want to know how you're documenting your Christmas or December, if you are, what size you're working in, or what, if you're doing like a December daily, or if you're just doing whatever pictures or stories you have. Like I'm doing just whatever stories I have and in 12 by 12. So just something like that. Let me know kind of what your plans are for what you are or have been doing for December and Christmas documenting. And then number 2, I would like to know if there are any product ideas that you would like me to start carrying in the shop, whether it be like certain kinds of product, like a different kind of product than I usually carry. If you want certain sets, if you have like specific, I really want a dog going swimming set or a baseball or whatever, just let me know. I would love to know any ideas that you would like, or any things that I like to keep the shop filled with things that you can't really get anywhere else. So if there's anything specifically that you are looking for, I would like to know that, because right now I'm just basing that off of what I would like. And yeah, so let me know answer those 2 questions. And then on today's Monday, let's do on Christmas Eve at night. So you have until I announce it on Christmas Eve, which will be in the evening. And then I will announce the winner of the giveaway and get this shipped out to you right after Christmas. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you again for all the love and support and everything. I really, really appreciate you all. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a very Merry Christmas. Bye.